8 easy hacks for viral YouTube shorts. Starting with hack number 1. So we know that to make a YouTube shot viral, viewed versus swiped away percentage should be very good. And for a high viewed percentage, you need to have a great hook. So I went to the shorts feed and scrolled for a long time and analyzed the hook of all the shots that came in front of me. At first, I didn't find anything special, but after a while, I found some interesting patterns. First of all, I noticed that in all the successful shots, none of the creators took more than 3 seconds to say the first line of the script. For example, this shot,
Can you slice a bullet with a katana?
and this,
Chocolate versus apple and
and this too.
This is the most unique e-reader that you've ever seen.
As you can see, none of the creators took more than 3 seconds to say the first line of the script. And this completely makes sense, because the first 3 seconds of your shot play the same role as the title and thumbnail in the case of long videos. And of course, you would never want a viewer to take more than 3 seconds to see your title and thumbnail, just to understand what the video is about. So if the first line of your shot is what you take more than 3 seconds to say, then change it right now, because it is not at all suitable for the attention span of a short viewer. This is fine. But what should you say in the first 3 seconds that will hook the viewers? I'll tell you. But before that, there was one more thing that I noticed in a lot of shots. Pattern interrupt in the first second. So here I have some shots. And now I will play all these shots for a second and try to notice what is common in all of them.
This is pufferfish.
This is the life.
So yeah, if you noticed, then great. And if you didn't, then let me tell you that at the start of all these shots, there is a zoom in or zoom out movement. It will take you only 5 to 10 seconds to add such a movement from the keyframe while editing the video. And maybe you are thinking, what will be the benefit of this? But there is some reason that all these big YouTubers are applying this technique in their shots. Actually, a movement at the start of the shot helps to interrupt the repetitive visual pattern of the viewer, which acts as a visual hook. In simple words, viewers who are being scrolled in the shot feed without thinking, a change of visual happens in front of their eyes which grabs their attention. Add a sound effect to this, and you will see that along with the visual, an auditory hook will also be created. And yes, it is not necessary that you use this zoom in zoom out effect. You can use any transition as it is used in the shots of this channel, or you can use any effect as this channel has done for every shot. But even if you grab the viewer's attention for a second with the pattern interrupt, you will have to say something in the first 3 seconds of the shot so that they get hooked instantly. And for this, you can use the emotional hooks of hack 3. So there are some lines that you can use as hooks, no matter what niche you are in. For example, if you don't want ABC, skip this video. If you are making an educational or how-to video where you are telling people how to get something, then you can use this hook and it will create FOMO in the viewer's mind. Example, if you don't want Amazon Prime for free, skip this video. If you don't want 1K subscribers, skip this video. Then there is a hook. I'm sure you don't know about ABC. Here, simply replace ABC with the topic of your video. Example, I'm sure you don't know about this Android update. This hook instantly challenges the viewer's mind that there is something he doesn't know, and the viewers get hooked. Similarly, you can create an emotion of urgency in the viewer's mind by saying something like, "You need to know this before it's too late." So FOMO, challenge, urgency, anger, excitement, hope. And there are so many such emotions that you can use to create a strong hook. But even if you hook in the beginning, there are still chances that viewers will swipe your shot after a few seconds if you are not able to maintain their attention. So let's talk about hack number 4, captions. We have 2 shots on the screen. Look at them and honestly tell me which shot you will look at for the longest time. No doubt, 90% of you will answer this left one. But why? How does a shot hold the viewer's attention for a long time just by adding captions? Well, there is a psychological reason behind it. Reading is an active activity, while listening and watching are passive activities. That means you don't have to put any effort in these things. That's why when you add captions, the viewers who are passively scrolling in the shot feed also become active viewers because reading text requires more focus. Additionally, captions can be really helpful if viewers are watching your video in a place where they can't play audio or can't listen to audio due to the noisy ambience there, like public places. This video was getting a bit too long, so we've split it into 2 parts. We'll cover the next 4 hacks in part 2, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. Take care of yourself, and come back soon to learn something new.